This one's a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called Replace All Dots. As always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes. Try it out before watching the video. It's the best way to learn JavaScript. The other great way to learn JavaScript is with repeated practice. So subscribe to the channel, and that way you're notified every time I post one of these, and you can keep practicing. All right, so let's get started. The code is provided to replace all the dots in the specified string with dashes. So here we have all dots with dashes, but it's not working properly. All right, so this one's kind of tricky. It's regular expressions, or regex for short, which is kind of like its own sort of separate thing that you've got to learn along with coding. But basically in regex, a dot means every character. So what we want to do is escape it, and that way it's literal periods, and that should get this to work. All right, so sorry, once again, try, okay. I wonder if it needs to be a global. Okay, cool, yeah, so we've got to replace all instances. So the /g here is a global, means find all. So we're literally finding all dots and replacing them with dashes. So comparing that before, this would literally replace like the first character, no matter what it is. So a dot in regex again means all characters. So we say, okay, we're gonna escape that. We're looking for literal periods, and we throw a G on there. We're looking for all periods, global. So let's test this out. Great job, y'all.